Hello friends, good morning. So friends, we are having the online classes and from today we will have also actual classes in our classrooms. So friends, through the online classes we have discussed various topics, we have discussed various terms. Today we will have another term and we will discuss the term. So you are requested to view the video carefully, to watch the video completely, and to respond wholeheartedly. So, friends, today we will have discussion on the term register. You may think that you might have or you have heard the word, you are acquainted with the word, but you know the word register in different sense. Today we are having the word or we are going to learn the word in different sense because it is a grammatical term or we can say it is a linguistic term. So what is a register? So the term can be defined. We can have the definition and the definition is a register is a list of words. A register is a list of words, but which words? Not all of the words, or not any words, but words which is associated with a specific field. What is the definition? A register is a list of words associated. Associated means related. Associated means connected. Associated with a specific field. Specific field. So we will have the explanation of the definition. So it is very clear. It is a list. It is a list. List of what? List of words. Okay. But which words? The words which are associated, which are related with a particular field or which belong to a particular field or the words which are used in a particular field. Okay. Or there is also another definition. A register is a language of a group of people who share common interest or who share common work. But this is the easier definition, and you have to keep the definition in your mind. So, friends, register. Then I will give you an example. So, friends, now we are facing the corona pandemic, and if we make a list of words connecting to this pandemic, then the list can be called a register. If we make a list of words which we use in respect of this corona disease or COVID 19, then the words can be called, or the list of the words can be called a register. Is it clear? I repeat the definition. A register is a list of words associated with a specific field. Okay, so or specific, we can say specific subject, specific field. So we can have a register. Today we are going to have four lists, and this list can be called four registers, and we will have four different topics. And the first topic is, as the topic is very current. And friends, the list of words can be titled. We can give the title of the list of words, and in this way, the here the title is given COVID-19, and we will have a register. We will have a register means we are going to make a list of words which are used today by us in respect of or in relation of the COVID pandemic. So, friends, we will have the list, and the list can be called a register. So, there is no need to be confused. Have some kind of clarity. So, register is a list of words connected to a specific field associated to a specific field. So friends, now we know that we have heard many words uh, uh, in current situation, and we are going to have the list. So we have this word corona. Okay, we have this word virus. We also have this word novel corona. Do you know this word? Novel corona. Novel corona is the virus which is responsible for this COVID 19. Okay? COVID 19 is the name of the disease. And this word is formed. CO stands for corona. VI stands for virus. D stands for disease. In this way, the word is made, and 19 indicates it was detected, it was identified in the month of December 2019. This 19. So, in this way, the disease is named. This is the name of the disease. And corona is a group of virus. It is a group of virus, and this is the specific virus which is responsible for this disease. So these words are used by us. These words are heard by us. These words are uttered by us in this situation, and we are having all of the words which we have heard, and with the help of the words, a list will be there, and the list can be called a register, and this register is titled as COVID-19. This register is titled as COVID-19. So novel corona. Then we know quarantine. So isolation. Okay. Then we know corona warriors. So these are the words. Corona warriors. These are the words and which are used uh, nowadays. Corona warriors. Then patient. Then doctors. Then recovery rate. Okay. So what I am doing, I am making a list. I am making a list. List of what? List of words. These are the words. And these words are related to corona pandemic. These words are related to this specific field or specific subject. Okay. And then we have fatality rate, fatality rate, Mrutyudar. We know that now it is less than 1.47. Okay. Then active patient, nearly 94 lakhs of people were infected by the coronavirus, and now we have only less than 5 lakh patients today. So they are active patient. Then we have vaccine. We will have vaccination. Then the people will be vaccinated or vaccinate. Okay. In this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 words are here. And these 14 words make a list. Okay. And this list is called register. This list is called register. And the list can be extended. The list can be extended. So we can have the extension of the list. Uh, we have RT, PCR test. Okay, so these words are also used. Then rapid antigen test. Okay, then there are treatment. Then we have ventilator. So the list can be extended, and uh, with our more and more knowledge, we can extend the list, and in this way, a register can be made. Then, in this way, this is the register, and the type it is titled as COVID-19. So, as I have said earlier, today we are going to have four registers on four different subjects. But there may be a question in your mind. What is the use of making a register? What is the purpose of making a register? What is the benefit of it? And the answer is very clear. So, friends, when we have the habit of making a register, then our vocabulary increases. There is a growth in our vocabulary. There is some kind of development in our vocabulary. At the same time, There are many words which are in our passive memory. There are some words in our active memory, and there are some words in our passive memory. For example, whenever we speak, we use some words, not all of the words, but some words are when they are used by other, then we understand their meaning. But we are not able to use them because they are in our passive memory. And with the help of this habit of making a register, then the words from passive memory are brought to the active memory. So this is the benefit. At the same time, we, because of the eagerness or curiosity, we know more and more new words, and our vocabulary develops. Our the Because of that, our language develops. Our language enriches. So enrichment of our language is performed by making registers. So we must form the habit of making registers. We must have as many registers as we can, and friends, any list can be named, and we have many options because this list can be given another title. We have given the title COVID-19. It can be titled as coronavirus. It can be titled as novel corona. So it's our choice. Okay. So any title can be given, and but we must give a title, a suitable title, a suggestive title, or we can say an appropriate or indicative title. So title should be there, and we can have a list. A register can contain more word or less words according to the subjects. So we have here, I think 14 and these 20 words, and there may be many words. So in this way we have made a register. So we will have a register on another topic, another field, and that is cricket. And we know that as far as the field cricket is concerned, it is a field of our interest, and so we know many words. So we will have the register on cricket. So whatever words are used in the field of cricket, they can be listed, and we know many words. So this register can be called cricket. Okay, and we know that which words are there. We have batting, we have batsman, bat, bowler, bowling, board, run, runner, wicket, wicket keeper, fielding, fielder, field, then umpire, decision, over, medal, then we have six, four, average, run rate, strike rate, economy. So we have super over. So these are the words. Okay. Then we have stadium, ground, pitch, spectator, man of the match, toss, cheerleaders, tie, test, one dare. Then we have uh, night watchman. Okay. We have draw. We have 2020. we have man of the series. So these words are used in the field of cricket. They are associated with the game of cricket. They belong to that specific field. And if we make the list of the words, then we will have a register. We know that stadium is, we know that the playground is there, and we have various position: mid off, mid on, silly point. Okay, we have various kinds of bowlers, pacer. Then we have uh, faster. Okay, so these words are used. So we will have some words on the blackboard, and you may extend the list in your notebook. So these words. So friends, I have given nearly 30 words, and you are very well acquainted with the game, and you may have more than 100 words in the list. And in this way, by making a list on various subjects, on various field, about the various fields, you can enrich your vocabulary, you can enrich your uh, or you can develop your vocabulary, and in this way our language is developed. So this is the another example of a register, and the list, this list is titled as cricket. This list is titled as cricket. So in this way, so friends, I am trying to teach you the term register and what is meant by a register. So what is a register? A register is a list of words connected with a specific field, associated with a specific field. So this must be kept in your mind and have some kind of clarity. Then we can have a register on another subject. So as I have said earlier, we will have four topics and we can have four registers. So friends, we are students and education is our main target or main function. And when we are here in college, then we use many words. Okay, and these words can be also listed. These words can be also listed, and the list can be also titled. For example, it may be titled, or we can have the title education, and under education we have many words. So, which words are used when you are in your school or in your college? So there are many words. So you use practical, tutorial, classwork, homework, notebook, textbook, lab. Then you have different names of the subjects like physics, chemistry, etc. Then your class, classmate, class teacher, okay, examination, written examination, oral examination. Then you have your pen, pencil, eraser, okay, various instruments that are used by you, and you have marks, result, then receipt, then you have term end exam, annual exam, unit test. So you have your teacher, madams. Okay. So my point is that you use in when you are in your school, in your college. So these words are used. So these words are associated with this field. These words are connected to this field. They belong to this field and they are used. And so we have a list of the words and the list is called a register. So in this way, the list can be, the register can be titled as education, and under the title, you can have the list. So education. This is the title of the register, and under the education, we can also have more than 100 words. So for a sample, we will have some words. So, for an example, I have written these words. Okay. So, as we know, the list can be extended, the list can be increased, the list can be lengthened by adding more and more words related to this specific field, and in this way, by making a extended list, we can also extend our horizons of knowledge. आपल्या ज्ञानाची क्षितिज आपल्याला विस्तारायचे, रुंदवायचे, हे या ठिकाणी घडू शकतं. अशा प्रकारे मित्रांनो, रजिस्टर ही संकल्पना या ठिकाणी आपण समजावून घेत आहोत. तर 3 विषयावर आपण अशा प्रकारच्या एक याद्या तयार केल्या. शब्दांची यादी, हे ना. यादी मध्ये अनेक शब्द आहेत, कमी जास्त असतील. पण जसं आपलं ज्ञानाची उंची वाढेल तशी ती यादी मोठी होत जाणार आहे. तर जशी यादी मोठी होत जाईल तसं आपलं ज्ञान वाढणार आहे. So my point is that today you must have the clear-cut understanding of the term register. There must not be any kind of confusion in your mind. So clarity is the most important thing in our life. So we must be very clear, and we must not be confused. And when we are sufficiently exposed to the discussion, to these things, then there will be clarity. So the thing is that the fourth register. So we will have the last example of register, and I think the fourth example, with these four examples, you will have more and more clarity about the term register. So we made register on COVID-19, then we had register on cricket, then we had register on this education, and now we will have a register on the most important topic, environment. So friends, my suggestion is, when we have to make a register of a specific field, then before starting to make a list, we must have some kind of thinking in our mind. For example, if we have to make a register on environment, then some kind of thinking process must be in our mind. For example, what is environment? What are the things related to environment? Okay, so we know that environment, then there is some kind of degradation. We say that we must preserve the environment. Then there is some kind of deterioration. Then we have global warming. Then we have ozone layer, damage to the ozone layer. Then we have pollution. Then we have various kinds of pollution. Then we have various pollutants. And then we have various gases. So these things are included in environment. Okay, and so the list can be a big one. So we will have some words, and with the help of the words, we are having the list of the term environment. So these two words are always used. They are associated with the term. We say that there is some kind of degradation, avanati, avanati. We say that there is some kind of deterioration, ऱ्हास पर्यावरणाचा ऱ्हास होत चाललाय, अवनती होत चालली. आपल्याला पर्यावरण सुधारायचंय ना, अपग्रेडेशन करायचं आपल्याला, पण त्या ठिकाणी डिग्रेडेशन आहे. Then ozone, ozone layer, okay, greenhouse gases, pollution. Under pollution, we have different kinds of pollutions: soil pollution, noise or sound pollution, water pollution, air pollution. Okay, so these pollutions are there. Then pollutant, air, water, soil. So they are also the words which are used in this context. Then we have science, we have trees, we have surrounding, nature. So friends, in this way, these words are repeatedly used when we discuss something about environment, when we argue about environment, when we have discussion about environment. So these are words are used. So there are also many words. Okay. So we say that we must preserve preservation, जतन संवर्धन करणं है ना. Then we have global warming, we have glaciers. So friends, in this way, my point is that when you learn a subject or any subject, so concepts are there, terms are there. If you focus on the terms, if you focus on the concepts, then there will be clarity. So you must have constant exposure to that subject, and then you will understand the subject. And for the understanding, your strong will, your concentration, and your hard work are the necessary things. And if you do the things devotedly, then I think that there will be no problem and success is yours. So now it is time to stop. Please replay the video and please try to understand the term because knowledge is power and to know the or to know more and more terms is to gain a knowledge. So today we will stop here. So have a good day. Goodbye.